Myntri bakmi Tnad Bording iti mondal ulapan pawi ka jing sngokia halo ka Jingnang Hiar Jong ko haka wa Umiam nakadaw Jong ka jing bombyang Jong uslam kabala pat ban kata ka jing pinmi Bording haka jala habe kran bagala pathai khubor une Myntri ulo ong baya menta ka jing don Jong ko kadangla ban pendap ka jing don kam Bording hendai lada slap no ka jala ka hak banwa deki wei pat kilat kelenti ban pendap ya ka jing don kam Bording Katkum ka jing thau haka khat sau trik unai pa Umiam kala Hiar shakalai hajar shispa prapu arput nakadaw Jong ka jing bam hap slam hakini khendiat sngi balaleng
Water is not there, it is a matter of concern. It is not that it is not a matter of concern. We wish that water will come soon and fill up the reservoir. We are working closely. I am more tense than you are. Releasing water is not a question that we are releasing water to just go out of the reservoir. The way you are telling that we are releasing the water outside of our tunnels and all these things. No, when energy will be generated, water will reset automatically. No? The lean period last time, yes, we had sufficient power with us. So we thought that as power is already available with us, let us close this gate. So that's how we got more water accumulated in the reservoir.